Hello, everyone. Thank you to our Dean Faith for the invitation. And thank you, Sir Third, and the founder of the We Care Academy, si GMPJ. Okay, palakpakan po natin ang ating wonderful bumubuo ng Pride PH. And my name is Sarah Cariaga, and I am going to present my favorite topic, which is terahertz. Okay. I am very excited because this is my favorite topic, and I'm compelled to research again. Not that I am not, but now actively, kasi pag magtuturo ka, you have to also add, may latest ngayon and then very excited to really explore that and share to everyone. And that is the very reason, one of the very reasons why I trust Prive and the reason why I joined. So the product was introduced to me. Actually, si Dean Faith is one of the most instrumental people why I came to know the product. But actually, I am the product na ano ko yan I encountered it all by myself through a wonderful swimming party. Okay, then that time was July of 2022. And then I used it. I thought it was a glorified blower, but I realized it was a frequency. So it was terahertz that made me fall in love with it. Cut the long story short. So I'll share more about it when it's my time. And I've been doing the business for short of 2 months, 2 years now. Yeah, so from the very beginning na we went into the business, I am really so compelled to really help a lot of people because the very first thing that it did to me is to help me with my health condition. So something that I receive, you will be really glad to share right away to all the people you love and the people you will meet soon. And this is also the reason why I'm committing to build this private business because the product works. And if the product works, what can go wrong, right? Kahit ano pa yan. So then coupled with the right people, yung ating personnel, yung admin, all right, the HQ, everything else, it's not perfect, but it's next to perfect in this industry. That's for me, that's my take. And I'm very excited because for everyone, for the closing, I won't take it too long. I'm just so excited because things are evolving, right? And the We Care Academy is part of it. We are very blessed to have a Philippine management that is so proactive and helping us and everyone really do their business step by step. This business is not an overnight thing. This is a step-by-step thing for those who commit to understand and really journey. You really have to face everything that you have to face. If you are in this business with commitment, you will not just be passionate. I read a book that you don't be passionate. Passionate is namamawer or power, puro hype. But you have to be steadily learning. And We Care is doing its job for us to get there. So when we have the knowledge, when we can apply in the field and consistently doing these small habits, then you get to your goal. Talagang ano yan, sure yan. All right. So thank you so much, and that's all for me.